Hello and welcome to this video tour of number 6 Cypress Road here in Woodley. This is a 3-bedroom semi-detached with a conservatory to the rear, southerly aspect garden, and as you can see, garage to the side. So first of all, the location, very quiet road, as you can see, residential, and right on the edge of Woodley we are here. In fact, within a stone's throw you have Dinton Pastures Country Park, and also access to the A329M via Beta Way is literally within a few minutes drive. So really convenient yet very quiet location. So let's just focus on the house itself. We have here a little extension on the front, which is the porch, as you can see there, with a white front door. There's the driveway, parking for a few cars, and also, as you can see, the garage. So let's make our way inside and let's give you a tour of the house itself. So my name is Gary Waite, obviously from WhiteKnights. Any questions you may have about this property, then the telephone number is on the website. Please do give me a call and I'll endeavour to answer those questions as best as possible. So I'm just going to turn around and just show you the entrance porch, which we've just come through. There's the front door. Got a side aspect window there and the radiator beneath. Plenty of space for, I'd say, sort of coat hanging, space for boots, that sort of thing. And then you do have a door here, which I'll close, that takes you into the entrance hall, which is here. We've got the stairs to the first floor there. There is a cupboard understairs, which is actually accessible from the lounge. As you can see, door to the lounge ahead of me. There's a door there to the kitchen. And then to my left here, we have a door to the downstairs WC. Let's show you that first. Got a low-level WC there and wash basin with a vanity covered under. And again, as you can see, we've got a front aspect window. I often point out if the bathrooms and toilets have windows, because so often you see there's just an extractor fan inside, but this one has a window. So let's start on my left hand side here by showing you the kitchen. So one thing to point out, that this is an empty property. There's a little bit of furniture in, white appliances, as you can see, but essentially it's vacant, no onward chain. So good work surface space, as you can see. We've got base units there, and I'm just going to point upwards. We've got eye level units as well on that wall and also that wall there. Now some of these appliances could well be included, depending on figures, of course, or available by separate negotiation. There's a front aspect window there and the sink with the swan neck mixer tap. And as you can see, there's a fridge freezer sat there in the corner. I'm just going to turn around here, because just here, as you walk into the kitchen on the left hand side, there is excellent broom cupboard, ironing board cupboard, that sort of thing. So that's the kitchen. Let's now make our way through to the lounge diner. So this is the full width of the house at the back. Let's just step to one side and give you the full span of this room. As you can see, we've got a focal point, a fireplace around there in the middle, radiator on that side. Sliding patio doors there take you into the conservatory, and then just stepping backwards, I can show you the other radiator there. And then I'm going to open this up because it's such a big understairs storage cupboard with the meters there, so really useful. And then from the lounge we can step into the conservatory. So this is UPVC double glazed windows. On the right hand side here you'll see we've got doors opening to the garden, part brick as well. There's an electric heater on the wall just there. This is a lean-to conservatory. Just pointing upwards, you can see we've also got a vent there, so that is a window that can be opened. And nice view of the garden, because This garden, as you can see, is not overlooked. I'll show you the garden at the end of the tour. Let's carry on with the house itself first. So now I'm going to make my way upstairs. Whilst I'm walking upstairs, worth pointing out that shops are within walking distance, little local shops. Also, we are within the Wangels College catchment. Quite a popular school, so we often mention that. So 3 bedrooms. Let's start at the front by showing you the main bedroom. So that's this one here. There's the front aspect window, and we've got mirrored sliding doors behind which is a double wardrobe. So good sized main bedroom. So now I'll show you the second bedroom. This is at the rear. Again, definitely a double bedroom. And I'm going to point out the view that we have through the net curtains. Let's move those to one side just to give you an idea, because there is a small park at the back here, not directly behind, but it's the grass you can see to the left behind the trees and bushes. That takes you over to a little park, little children's play area. So nice view at the back. So that's the second bedroom, and then the third bedroom is just here on the left at the top of the landing. Quite a good sized third bedroom actually. It's not a box room. Often with 3-bedroom semi-detached houses you'll find the third bedroom is a bit of a box room, but not here. It's a good size third bedroom. And then last but not least, we have the bathroom. So this actually is a shower room. So the bath has been removed, could easily be put back in, but what we have here is a shower cubicle. Let's just show you the shower there. Point downwards at the shower tray itself. It's like a corner shower. We've got a pedestal wash basin and a load of WC there, and then a radiator there. And a front aspect frosted window. So that's the shower room or bathroom. On the landing, I should just point out 3 things. Firstly, pointing upwards, we've got access to the loft. It's got a fitted loft ladder there, and then we also have the airing cupboard on the right with the water tank. And I'm just going to show you this cupboard because on the left hand side here you'll see there's the gas-fired boiler. Okay, so that's the property. Let's now make our way downstairs and I'll show you the rear garden. So as I mentioned, we're on the very edge of Woodley here. It's the southern edge, easy access down to the A329M. But Dinton Pastures being close by is definitely a feature, because that's quite a nice place to go for nice long walks, especially if you have a dog or something like that. Right, so we are now into the garden, and we'll show you the garage afterwards, but first of all the garden. So it's all fenced in. As I said, we've got the sort of small little grassed park at the back. There's a greenhouse in the corner there. And then this is the garage. Just spinning round, you've got the gate there leading to the drive and to the front. And let's just give you an idea of the conservatory there. And then the rest of the house. So to finish the tour, let's show you the garage. We've got this side door. This is a UPVC double glazed door, and I'm going to just demonstrate. We have an electric up and over door. There's the gate leading into the rear garden there. Let's close that back down. And then just spin round. There's a small window in the corner of the garage. As you can see, we've got a workbench and you'll notice the power points there. So that's the garage. Okay, just finish with the rear garden. Any questions? Like I said, the number's on the website. My name is Gary. Do ask to speak to me. Otherwise, it's the same number to arrange a viewing appointment. Thanks for watching.